Ciao belli, I promised to record for you the practice with the exercise, so it will be a quick review of the possessive adjectives in Italian and then little exercise emphasizing the vocabulary. So it's food vocabulary and the kitchen vocabulary. Okay, so let's do it, let's review it fast and then do the exercise. All right, so the differences between the possessive adjectives in English and in Italian. In English, the possessive adjectives give you information about the owner. For example, her cat gives you the information that the owner of the cat is a female. In Italian, instead of giving you the information about the owner, the possessive adjectives give you the information about the gender of the item possessed. So you see that it's gatto ends on o, masculine, mio ends on o, and it follows the noun gatto, and il, the article, it is masculine as well. So basically, instead of the knowing who the owner is, male or female, it gives you the information about the cat. In English, it gives to you occasionally the information, and in Italian, it always gives to you that information about the item owned, and never about the owner. So that's the difference. You might find this information useful that English or Italian provide, or you might find it useless. But you just have to remember that the possessive functions in a different way, okay? So the second difference is, that was the first, this is the second. The second difference is in English, you do not use possessives with the articles. It's either the cat or it is my cat. In Italian, you say the my cat. It's different, it's unusual, but you just have to accept it. It is the my cat. You have to use the definite article and the possessive adjective, adjusting it to the noun of the item possessed. So if the cat is male, so it will be my masculine form, and the article also will have to be of the corresponding gender and the number. Yeah. So that is the third point, that the adjectives will have the gender and the number. Why? Because all nouns in Italian will have the gender and the number. Yeah. So it's slightly different from English. Let's see. You have here the basic form, mio, which is my, tuo, yours, suo, his, hers, or your, sirs, or your madams, nostro, our, vostro, your, plural, and loro, their. So you will remember that little table that will help you to always remember how to pluralize. If a word in Italian ends on o, the plural most likely will end on e. If a word in Italian ends on a, most likely it will end on e in the plural. And if a word in Italian ends on e, the plural will be e, no matter whether it is masculine or feminine. Note that this one is masculine, this is feminine, and this one, it doesn't matter whether it's masculine or feminine. Those are the plurals of those words. So if you remember that table, it will be much easier for you. So this form is a masculine singular form that is taken as a base. And then you adjust it according to the item possessed. So if you say mio gatto right here, it will be my cat. Why did you say mio? Because that gatto is male. If you need to say plural, you go to the same table. You see that o becomes in plural, and you would say miei, plural, and then gatto. Instead of o, it will become e, right from here. You see it there, huh? All right, so, and basically all nouns in Italian will be masculine or feminine, plural or singular, and the adjectives, possessive adjectives, will be changed according to them. So remember that little table. You might come back to it when you do the exercise, okay? So next point, gatto ends on o, most likely it's masculine. Let's pretend it is. So tu gatto. How do you change the word tu? You go back here and you look. Aha, tuo. So you put here tuo gatto. Yeah? Loro macchina. you see that macchina ends on a. Most likely it is feminine, and it is correct. But loro doesn't change, so you leave loro alone, and loro macchina will be their car. Yeah? So you have already your cat and their car. Next one is noi, we, and you have here gatti, plural, masculine. So you have noi, you go back, you look, nostri. You have here nostri, and then it will be nostri. Note how it nicely matches. Nostri gatti, okay? Lei and macchina. Lei, you go back, you look, Macchine, it's plural feminine, so it will be sue, sue. See how it matches well? Macchine. Then, the only thing, you will need the article. So it will be gatto as a noun takes a definite article il. So it will be il tuo gatto. Yeah? It will be il tuo gatto. Then you have macchina. Macchina ends on a, it's feminine, it will be la, so it will be la loro macchina. It will be their car, because the article you will not translate in English. Nostri gatti, it will be, the article will be I, and you put it before the nostri gatti, so it will be I nostri gatti. Finally, you have sue macchine. The article plural will be le, because this is the plural definite article. It will be le sue macchine. It will be her cars or his cars, or it will be, if you were speaking formally to somebody, your cars formally. All right, so these foodstuffs. Let's remember the names of these foodstuffs, and then according to these subject pronouns, you will put the possessive adjectives with them, remembering the gender, the number, and the article, because that's what you need to construct them. For example, if you have a word here, pera, you don't have it, but let's pretend. Pera, feminine, pera. La pera, you know that the article is la pera. So you'll say, and you are given here one of the words, you have noi. So you have you use the article la, you have nostra, because it's feminine, and pera. So finally say la nostra pera, which means our pear. You don't have it here, so you're not going to do it, but you're going to do the same thing with the items here. So it would be a good moment right now to stop the video, to remember the vocabulary, to construct the possessive adjectives, and then to go to the next page where I explain which ones to use, okay? So let's stop here. All right, so let's see here. We have here different words. You remembered most of them probably. You have here mela, analysis. Mela ends on a, it's feminine. So the article will be la. So sua, you adjusted it to what? To lui. So you have la sua mela, which means his apple, her apple, or your apple if you speak formally to somebody. Make sense? Yeah. Next one, you have suo gelato. And gelato is masculine. So you will put here different article. It will be il suo gelato. Remember that il, definite article, refers to the masculine noun gelato. And suo, the adjective, follows the noun as well. Il suo gelato, it will be his ice cream, or her ice cream, or your ice cream formally. Next word is formaggio, cheese. So you have here masculine, and you have loro, and it doesn't change, so it will be loro formaggio, and then the article of formaggio will be il. Why? Because it is masculine singular. Il loro formaggio. Next one is cetriolo. Cetriolo is masculine and it is tuo, so it will be il tuo cetriolo. The next one is pasta, and you will put here la nostra pasta, because You match nicely la, definite article, nostra, the possessive adjective, and pasta, the noun. Vostro limone. Limone is masculine, so it will be il vostro limone, your lemon. Uovo, il nostro uovo. This word has two main names in Italian: cocomero, masculine, or anguria, feminine, so it will be il suo cocomero or la sua anguria. La nostra pizza, because it is all feminine, singular. Il vostro gambero, la tua carne. Carne ends on e, and it could be either masculine or feminine, because in Italian the words ending on e could be masculine or feminine, but it is feminine. If you don't know, look in the dictionary, because sometimes you have limone here is masculine, but carne here is feminine. So they're different gender. So it is la tua carne, your meat. Vostre fragole. Fragole is plural feminine for strawberries, so it will be le vostre fragole. Cipolla, tua cipolla, will be la tua cipolla, because cipolla is feminine singular. Il mio ananas. Ananas, foreign word, Tupi-Guarani from southern Brazil, ends on the consonant. Most foreign words in Italian that end on the consonant are masculine, and the ananas is the case. Il mio ananas will be my pineapple. Nostro pane. Pane is masculine. If you are not sure, look in the dictionary. Il nostro pane will be our bread. Pomodoro. Pomodoro is masculine. Loro, it will be il loro pomodoro, their tomato. I hope it helps. I hope it was useful. So remember what you learned here or what you reviewed here. You need the definite article according to the noun. You need the adjective according to the noun. And then the information you get is not about the owner, but about the item possessed. Okay, so let's see this vocabulary about the kitchen. And then some of the words you already know, some you don't. But please learn it and then do the possessives for all pronouns that we already know. Yeah? So you will be able to do it. And remember, you'll do it according to the item possessed. Good luck. I hope it helped. If it didn't, let me know. I'll record something else in a different way. And then I'm looking forward to helping you with more grammar. Okay? Ciao, belli.